I listened to music from the 60s, I'll admit it. I heard a great song. It's called Surfin' Bird. It goes, bird, bird, bird is the word. I love that song. And then I was having dinner with a friend, and she was eating her food, and she goes, God, Lizzy, this food is so full of, oh, what's the word? And I was like, bird! And she goes, no, I was gonna say grease. And I was like, oh my God, grease is the word. And she said, yes, Lizzy. It is also the time, the place, and the motion. And I said, I thought the time was 3:14. And she said, no, Lizzy, but 3.14 is pi. And I said, my friend, this is pie. And a very tasty joke indeed. Ah!
A lot of the money that the advertisers put into Effin.com, Effinfunny.com, go to Ethiopian children. And those children really need to laugh because when they laugh, it blows air on their face and then the flies go away. So please watch Effinfunny.com. Thank you.
Bird, bird, bird is the word.